Bitcoin's up again. Do you want to know everything about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. We have to tell you that we have good news. Bitcoin keeps on going higher 4 days in a row, and we are above the all-time high $69,000, but we're still waiting to break again the new all-time high, $74,000 for just one single Bitcoin. So maybe we are going to do that, or maybe we are going to bounce to $69,000 again and then keep on going higher. We'll see about that. Remember the gaps of the CNMV futures. This is a bad thing out there for Bitcoin usually, and we have a gap in the 4-hour chart. This goes to $64,000. So this is one of the bad things we have today. Remember, we have gaps up to $20,000. So maybe we will crash 72%. That's still in the cards. And it's not good also, in my opinion, that dollar is not breaking this line for good. We want it to break it because now it can't bounce there and keep on going higher. If dollar goes up, cryptocurrencies and the stock market will go down. Any case, today, Asian markets ended going up. So maybe that's a good thing. Gold and cryptocurrencies going up. We told you all about that in this video. You have to watch it. Maybe the next target is $97,000 because of the flag that Titan of Crypto told us. Also, watch that video and the last one about over and how can you get some coins, get some over coins, OVR, with the app and mapping the world. Very interesting stuff. I already told you how I'm doing that in the dedicated video. So again, watch it and let's celebrate making some coins, making some money, the pump of Bitcoin. Why is it pumping? Well, maybe because of the halving event. It's just 25 days away. And we're happy that we told you in previous videos that we might take 63 days to recover, or maybe just 14. We told you in previous videos, and it seems that we are going to be back where we were maybe in those 14 days. So if that's the case, very, very little time, just 1-2 more days till we go above $74,000. That would be a nice thing. And also we have this on-chain colleague's tweet telling us that the chart pattern is very similar to 2020. You can see that's true from this point here to the top. That was amazing. So maybe we are doing something similar. I took that idea to my charts and trading view, link in the description below. And you can see that that chart is very similar, even though I prefer 2017 chart comparison, watch previous videos, but it's true, it's very similar. So if that's the case, we might be around $200,000 by June 2024, which is amazing. And that's true when we have bad news out there for the crypto market. European Parliament banned, they say that they're going to ban, like in 3 years, crypto transactions that are anonymous, that are more than $3,000. So they're trying to regulate this, and it's not a good thing. This is scary because first things first, as Healthy Pockets is telling us here, they will ban this. They after that, they can ban the cold wallets. Then maybe they can ban cash. Then they will launch the CBDC, and that's how they control the world and the money. We've talked about this a lot in this channel, and it's not good that the regulator is trying to stop and ban this world. But on the other hand, I believe they can't stop it. We will find ways. Remember, China, mining is forbidden in China, and they are like the 3rd miner in the world. So yeah, whatever. Also, Europe and Spain, we are the worst out there. Spain trying to ban Telegram. This judge, maybe he was out there having fun, and they're like, hey, you have to ban Telegram. Why? Because of some rights of these media corporations and their pressure. Okay, and what's Telegram? I have no clue. Me neither. Well, just ban it. What about everybody that work with Telegram? Myself, I use it in my daily basis. So this is a country finally some sense in the judge. He said, it's okay. I'm not going to ban Telegram. I don't want to be the clown of the world. Well, you are already, in my opinion. Well, this can be a mistake, but you have a huge responsibility and you can't make this kind of mistake. You just can't. It's something we have to say. And this is, in my opinion, a very good example of how Spain works. You have people on top where they have the decisions about AI, about technology, about cryptocurrencies, of course, about very important things, and they have no idea whatsoever what are they talking about. So it's like, let's ban it. Let's ban it. I have no idea what is Telegram, but let's ban it. Well, I believe in the future in Spain, we will raise voices like ours and we will ask for representatives and people in charge of things that at least know what are they talking about. Maybe it's too much to ask that people that take responsibility in health, in justice, in politics, in economy, that they know what they are doing. Well, tell me your opinion in the comments below. Thank you very much. Any case, let's see about this. Let's see about WorldCoin. Remember, also banned in Spain. And now they are opening, like they are doing with OpenAI, with Grok, all that fast we have around AI. Well, now WorldCoin is going to be open source. So we'll see about that in Spain. And this is scary, of course, but more scary is to consider that Biden just signed a 1.2 trillion spending bill that looks like this. This is 1 trillion compared with a bill of 100 to $10,000 to 1 million. Here you have 10 millions. Here you have 100 millions. And this is 1 billion. But a trillion is much, much bigger than that. 10 billions, 100 billions. And this is 1 trillion. This is the debt that he signed right now. And they say that we are around the money they printed with their machine when we had COVID. So crazy times. Any case, reasons, in my opinion, to be greedy about the crypto world. 81 today. In a bad week. Yesterday, we closed, the day after yesterday, we closed a week in the red with the outflows, inflows in the ETFs. Just the second one. That was a bad one. And you can see how the price is going higher again. And finally, we had a green day in the ETFs. Well, that's good stuff. And also it's a good stuff, this bullish hammer candle that we had in the closure of last week. That Titan of Crypto is comparing with this moment here and this moment here. Myself bringing that idea to TradingView, and you can see those hammer candlesticks here and there. And the red one took us to 58% up the next week. And here we needed more weeks, but we had a 90% rise for Bitcoin. So if we do that now, well, this week we can be as high as $97,000. And remember, I told you with this bull flag, well, it's the same target. If we have to wait more, maybe we'll be around $100,000 in a couple of weeks. So it's also a very nice scenario. We'll tell you everything about this in CryptoNews. We told you about $97,000 previously. So watch them all. We'll tell you everything about those ETFs, inflows and outflows. And you have to consider that we've been there for 11 weeks. And Grayscale, they say that they have money to keep on doing the same for another 14 weeks. So 14 weeks might seem a lot of time, but it's going to be over soon enough. And what will happen there? Liquidity crisis, of course, in my opinion. Who knows that? Well, El Salvador knows about this. They keep on buying Bitcoin. They keep on staking 1 Bitcoin per day. We have the wallet. If you want to watch it, go to blockchain.com, and I leave you the link to the contract wallet in the description below. Also, it's a good thing we told you that Bitcoin and Ethereum ETNs are going to debut on London Stock Exchange, and it's going to be in May. We now know about that. And they say that the market out there for homes in United States is going a little bit down, even though here in this chart seems that it's growing. But any case, if we still believe that it's going to grow, well, you can consider that the saving account, the good one, is Bitcoin. Because in 2016, you needed 664 Bitcoin to buy a house. And then in 2020, it was 45 Bitcoin. Right now, it's 6.6 Bitcoin. So, what is better, buying a house or having some Bitcoin? The market in the green, Ethereum going again to $4,000. We are recovering right now, and the bubbles are in the green. You need to go to dextools.io to read about this. And also, even Dex token is going up. Today is a winner. And this is because of Dex Tools token burn. They are committed to these burns, and this make the token for Dex Tools one of my favorite apps out there, if not the favorite, more and more worth it. You want to know about cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin? Dex Tools is your app. And what about this chart talking precisely about Dogecoin? Maybe it's a good buy. Well, Stock Money believes that we might have a movement like we have in the past, and we are going to go to $1 soon enough. The favorite coin of Elon Musk that now is the guy that has paid more taxes in the world. 11 billion is so bad for us when we pay our taxes so bad in Spain, because again, people in charge has no idea what they're talking about. We'll see what will happen in the future of this country. But he paid $11 billion. So if you need an app so that you can track your cryptocurrencies and pay your taxes, maybe not $11 billion, but some, well, use coin tracking. You have a link in the description below with a 10% discount. Is the one I use. And thank you for following us today on the show. And here is the cat section. What about this guy fighting a cat? And finally, it seems that they are friends and they go flying around the world. Nice couple out there. This guy learning crypto with fun on the ride. Please, Rodri, tell me more about Satoshi Nakamoto. I will, but not today. Please, pretty please, just one more. Well, you have to wait till tomorrow. I will tell you more, but in the next crypto news. Then I'm gonna hide here till you tell me more about this. Well, any case, remember that you can go to our other channel about AI news, and we have a new video, a very, very nice one about mental power with AI, Neuralink, Elon Musk, etc., etc. You still haven't watched it? Then go just right now. If you want more of crypto, then one of these two or any of the 1,800 videos we have already there. And we are researching already for tomorrow's Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo's here. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!